Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today we'll be doing a unboxing video from Egoshoes. So if you guys would like to see what I got in this package, then please stay tuned. So I'm just going to open this box up, and because I don't have a knife with me right now or a scissors, but I'm just gonna use my keys. Hopefully I could get this package open.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I got 3 boots on Egoshoes, I think it's called. It used to be Ego Official, I think, but I think they're called Egoshoes. Coronavirus. Wow. Egoshoes. But I got 3 shoes. They were all on sale, so I'll let you guys know the prices. And yeah, so let's just hop right into it. So this is the packaging. It just has the word Ego on it and their website, www.ego.co.uk, but that's not the site I use because I'm in the US. So I think it's egoshoes.com. Their Instagram is also on the box, at Ego Official. So this is the style Wisdom and the color Nude in a UK 9, US 11. So that's also on the side of the box, and it's just a black box with their name. It looks like the font is kind of like diamonds with the little sparkles on there. But yeah, and let's hop right into it. I haven't tried any of the shoes, so hopefully they fit me because I hate returning stuff, to be honest with you. So when you take it out, it's packaged like this. And ooh, I like the color. I couldn't remember what color. I wanted something nude, and I didn't expect this kind of texture. It looks, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring it close. You can see like the texture is kind of like, I don't want to say like a rug. I don't want to say like a rug material, but it's like, I have never had a shoe with this texture. I need to read the description. Let me see. So this one is, and that's why it's important to read before you buy stuff, you guys, because that's what it feels like a coat. That's what it feels like. It feels like a material you might use for a sweater or a coat or something like that. So on here it says that this boot is called the Wisdom Ankle Sock Boot, and it is, like I said, a size 9 in the UK sizing, and it is in a nude faux shearling material. So this is a faux shearling material, and this is why it feels that way. But it looks like it is kind of like slightly pink, like almost baby pink. I don't know if it will show up on this camera like that, but it looks like it has a hint of pink. But you know, it's nude for the most part, and this is what I wanted. You know, it feels really sturdy. Like, it doesn't feel like, you know, it was, you know, made with some bad material. It feels good. So this might be a 4.5-inch heel. I'm not sure, but like I said, I will put the links in the description box, and I will also put you know, the specifics in the description as well. So that is the first one. We have box number 2. Hopefully, I like this one. Okay, so this one wanted a boot like that for so long. Now let me say something. Honestly, these were on sale. I can't remember how much I paid. I think two of them were $14.99 and then one of them was $29.99. I think this one was $29.99. Now honestly, I really don't like stiletto heels because I have problems with my feet, so I don't like wearing stilettos like that. And you know, it's just better with platform shoes. You have good balance, you have better balance, you can stay in them for longer, you can walk for longer. But then I was like, you know what, usually I just walk straight from the car into the building. Like, I wouldn't be standing for long, so I just have to be mindful of where I'm wearing these shoes to. If it's a place that I have to walk a lot or stand a lot, I probably might not wear them just because of the stiletto heels. But for the style, baby, ha! You know, these are thigh-high boots, and this is, according to this, let me put this to the side. According to this, this is the this is the Alabama pointed toe over the knee thigh-high long sock boot in black faux. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's like I said, it feels like really good material, and you have that new shoe scent, but it's not like hella crazy or anything like that. It feels a little stretchy here. I think it should be able to go all the way up. But yeah, I'll try to style these for my Instagram, and I'll also like put inserts here of me wearing the shoes. But yeah, this is what the second one is like. The third box is also a black pair as well. I wanted to get 2 thigh highs and 2 ankle boots, but they didn't have any nude thigh high. I usually want like a brown and a black, a brown and a black. You know, I don't do white shoes, but they had like those types of colors, like white, and like I wasn't really feeling that. And then I was like, let me buy some clear Perspex heels, and I was like, well, why? So I didn't do it. But I might, like, I didn't know they have such good sale on that site. I never bought shoes from them, but I have big feet and they have my size and they have cute shoes, so why haven't I? You know. But yeah, this is, oh, I know I'm going to rock this a lot because I love, that's the thing I like about these shoes. Like, they come up to a point where it's really like an ankle boot. You know, some of them stop like kind of like this. To me, that's not cute. Like, you have to give me the length, okay? Give me the body. You know, like, if you're giving me an ankle, give me the whole ankle. I don't want half of the ankle. Don't give me half. I want the whole ankle. So this is like the ankle boot. You know, it's pretty much like the other with this faux suede material. The thing about faux suede though, I wouldn't, if it's raining, I would not wear these shoes. If it was like a faux leather or pleather, whatever you call it, I would wear that instead. But you just have to be mindful of certain things like that when you are wearing or styling different items. Be mindful of where you will be going, how long you would have to stand up or sit down, you know, what the weather would be like all of these things you have to think about when you're styling an outfit. But yes, this is the Fiona Black in a size 9 again, and it is the pointed toe ankle boot in black faux. So yep, this is it. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment below, let me know if you want to see any other unboxing videos, and check out my previous videos. I want to do some more styling videos and you know, unboxing, styling, and I want to incorporate fashion into my Instagram. Right now it is just for makeup, but like I said, I'm rebranding, so I'm going to be including all of these things. things. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's Enesscee _ that's ENESSCEE, and you pronounce it like the letters NSC. It's literally my initials as a word. So yeah, in case you were wondering. But thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.